What's up, food lovers? So today is college football day. It's OU against Longhorn. Hook 'em, Jackson. Hook 'em. Yeah. So Longhorn all the way. And tonight we got the LSU game against Florida. So right now we're gonna get some ingredients and make some chili for a chilly cold day. It's cold outside and it's a good time for a bowl of chili. So let's go get some ingredients and then we'll meet you back in the kitchen. Let's go. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the kitchen. So I got all the ingredients and we're about to get to cooking. So today we're gonna be cooking up some chili. We call it meat lovers chili. So right here I have a pound of the country style ribs. We're gonna marinate it up. And then when we get everything prepped up and ready to get cooking, we're gonna slap this on the grill, cook that up. But let's marinate it. So here, guys, we got that country style pork. Here we got a tablespoon of brown sugar, a quarter cup of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of black pepper. That's all we need. Then mix it up. We'll set it aside. While we wait for the pork to marinate, I went ahead and pan fried the bacon. I use smoked bacon. You can use any type of bacon you want. This is about one package with its 12 ounce. So I pan fried it. Then I took it out and then, drain off of a towel here. Then I used the bacon fat to cook my ground beef. So this is 2 pounds of ground beef. Cooked it up, drained it, and put it in a bowl. So right now, we're about to mix everything and get to cooking. Let's go. go, guys, the final product. After an hour and a half of cooking, this is what it came out. Meat lovers chili. First bite. Mmm, super delicious. Mix it up. Man, meat lovers chili, good for a cold day. Can't beat this. The crunch of the bacon and the pork, give it an extra crunch to it, give it an extra kick. Delicious. Well, guys, if you like my recipe, if you like the way I cooked it, please give me a like, thumbs up, hit the like button, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for notification, all right? Until next time, I'm out. Bye.